Guys, my name is Keshav Giria. I represent the foundation batch of SME IIT Jodhpur. I am also one of the ideators of this entire initiative. Now, I would like to take this moment to congratulate all the team members for putting on so much hard work and making this entire initiative such a big success. I would also like to showcase my heartfelt gratitude to our faculty members for giving us a chance to prove ourselves. Thirdly, guys, I don't know, I'm so excited to see each and every one of you, to meet and greet with all of you, such accomplished batchmates. Guys, I'm really excited. So, over to you, Abhinav. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Keshav. Hello, everyone. I'm Avinav Singh. I, along with Keshav, Sagnik, and Vidya Sagar, came up with the idea of pre-induction event. I'm really thankful to all my batchmates and faculty members for their active participation and their support. Now, let's go through the feedback of my batchmates.
Hello everyone, this is Udayan Patankar here, coordinator for Meet the SMEs. So this was a really good initiative and provided a much needed icebreaker for us to get to know each other. I would like to thank my respected faculty members and my beloved colleagues for making this event a huge success.
The pre-induction activities have been a true delight, and this is all due to the enthusiasm showcased by the participants as well as the volunteers. I just can't wait to meet all of y'all and go paint the Blue Town red soon.
This is Nijat Chakraborty from group discussions activity. I had the amazing opportunity to be a part of the pre-induction activity and to mingle with some of the best minds of the batch. I'm really looking forward to meet all of you on campus.
Great time in organizing the event, thinking out loud, a group discussion event. And I would like to thank all the participants and my fellow coordinators for organizing such an amazing event. I'm looking forward to meet all my batchmates at the camp.
I wanted to attribute this successful event to my extremely talented teammates, faculty and participant. Can't wait to meet them in the campus.
This pre-induction student program was a great start to our 2 years journey of MBA. It gave us an opportunity to interact with each other, and I'm really happy that we were able to organize such a great event. Looking forward to meet all my batchmates.
The quality of the unique sessions which we organized amongst ourselves was super fun and very interactive. I'm humbled and thankful to the efforts put in by our faculties as well as my batchmates to make this entire pre-induction event such a massive success, and I'm absolutely buzzing to meet you guys at the campus.
Such a wonderful experience to be part of pre-induction program and to know each other. I'm really excited to meet the very talented guys I'm going to study with, and I'm really thankful to the faculty to provide such a great platform.
Hi everyone, this is Aryan. I was coordinator of the event group games along with my friends Oishika, Fahim, Krishna and Suyash. I think this was a fantastic initiative where we got to bond with the batchmates, and I'm super excited to meet all of you on the campus. See ya.
Hello guys, Nishit Tiwari this side. I am one of the organizer of Quizart. I really like to thank our faculty members and students who have taken this initiative for pre-induction program, as this drives learning and also we get a chance to know each other. I really like to thank all the participants who participated and made this event very successful. Really looking forward to meet you all very soon. Thanks.
It is a great initiative and my teammates are super helpful. I would like to thank faculty members for planning the event, and I hope to meet you guys very soon. I'm very excited for that. Stay safe.
Hello guys, I'm from the team Quizart. I hope everyone has learned something from these pre-induction programs. I would like to thank all my teammates and my fellow friends for making their efforts and making this a successful event.
Hello everyone, this is Sawan Kumar. It was great to host all the participants and knowing about them, and I am very grateful to the faculty members for their support, and I am very eager to meet them on campus. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Akshay this side. I am from Team Quizart. So creating content for the pre-induction program is a very exciting and a learning curve for all of us, and I would like to thank all the faculty members who gave us the opportunity to do the same. I am absolutely looking forward to meeting you all in person and have 2 wonderful years together.
Hi guys, this is Som Shubra from Team Quizart. So far our experience with the pre-induction activities has been absolutely phenomenal. We have learned so far working as a team. The Team Quizart has worked incredibly hard and I hope you all had fun.
This is Ajay from the quiz team. I would like to thank the faculty members for providing us such opportunity to organize this pre-induction event. It was a great learning experience for us and looking forward to organize more such events. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tulsi Agarwal and here I want to convey my heartfelt gratitude to the esteemed faculty members and to my classmates who has initiated this great program to break the ice between us, and I'm super excited to be at the campus and to meet everyone there.
Hey guys, I'm Nagaraj. I would like to thanks to every faculty like Mitra sir, Mayank sir, Ankita ma'am, each and everyone for giving us a wonderful opportunity to know many more things from you guys as well as IIT, and thank you for this.
I absolutely love the fact that we all were able to get together and organize such a brilliant pre-induction program which gave us an opportunity to know each other better, and I'm extremely excited to meet all my batchmates.
Thanks to the management and faculties for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and also to the fellow students who made it successful. Waiting to see you all on campus. Together we push our limits and reach success.
Hello everyone, this is Lakhan, one of the coordinators of the case study group, and this pre-induction event has been truly special. All thanks to the participants and the coordinators involved. And I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you at the campus real soon.
Hello everyone, my name is Jaral Netto. The pre-induction program was a success, having served its purpose to get to know each other better. I'm very happy to have been part of the individual games event Mesmerize. All our teammates were incredibly talented and amazing and took up their responsibilities proactively and made the event a success. I'm very excited to meet you all in person and spend the next 2 wonderful years of my life.
Hello friends, my name is Vidyasagar Bhange, and being the ideator of this pre-induction event, I never pictured it to be such a successful event. It all came up with an idea of interacting with the whole batch, and I think it has solely served its purpose. I would like to thank our esteemed faculties for their support and encouragement, and also my fellow batchmates who have actively participated in all the activities and created a lively atmosphere of integration. I am anxiously waiting to meet you all. I would also like to thank my fellow ideators Sagnik, Abhinav and Keshav for their enthusiasm. Now I would like Sagnik to share his views on this.
Hi everyone, this is Shahnik here. So me and a few of my friends, namely Keshav, Abhinav and Vidya, have come up with this initiative of a pre-induction event which would help the incoming students bond before their formal induction process. So most of our batchmates have very enthusiastically taken to this idea and carried it forward to make it a very successful and one-of-a-kind event. So I would like to thank all of them for taking part in this initiative. And finally, I would also like to thank all the faculty members for their guidance in this regard. So I am really excited to meet all of you on campus. Till then, signing off.